how's everyone doing? I had put a kit last month I had put a kit for the month of August, for the month of September, and that kit had a good response. So what am I doing today? I am bringing in a full moon and a new moon kit. So what will this kit have? You, even if you don't have the kit, you can actually do this and try it if you are a person who already has these candles. But if you don't have a kit, or you're going to order the kit, as usual it's only going to be 20 kits. So what will this kit have? It will have 5 different colors of 7 knobs, and it will have 2 owl totems, because one owl totem will be for the full moon and the other owl totem will be for the new moon. Okay, so what do we do? Basically, owl totem is the hoodoo concept of a candle which I had brought in long back. And what does the owl totem do? It works with the totems. The African totems are more like gods who help us in making our wishes come true, and who help us in a lot of other ways. And if you all, I don't know how many of you have joined my candle class and who are watching this video. Usually my candle class students know that I used to burn this regularly every day for 10 minutes along with my Egyptian totem, that is owl totem and Egyptian totem, and I was able to build my dream house. I had just set my intent on that and I used to burn that. So coming back to this, what will you do now? For example, I'm going to do one example with this. What does this kit have? I've already said 5 7 knobs, 10 7 knobs basically, because it will be 5 will be used for full moon and 5 will be used for the new moon, along with 2 owl totems, one owl totem for one full moon and the other owl totem will be for the new moon. When do we start? We start on the new moon. So the first set you will be using on the new moon, and the next set you will be using on the full moon. That's how it is done. So usually 7 knobs is like you can burn for 7 days. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use this for me. When I say use it for me, green is for money. So I will write here what is the income I am expecting for the month. Okay, I can, now what you can do, you can say I attract 10 tarot clients, I attract 10 healing clients, I attract 10 say workshop students, my products are sold for so much money. Like that also you can write in each knob. Or if you have an intention that no, I want this month, say for example I want for the month of October, I earn 1 lakh in the month of October, then what you will do is you will just write my earning in October is 1 lakh, my earning in October is 1 lakh. That's how you will do. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to carve what I want, and I will also explain side by side what you can do for the other 4 colors which is here. Okay, now again this is a customized kit. So if you're in business, then the green, the yellow, the pink and the white along with a black 7 knob will be sent to you. If you are in a career, you're working under someone, then instead of yellow I will send you all a black 7 knob. Black 7 knob is something which you can bring in because black is for protection. So now as I'm writing here, what do we write in the white? For example, now how do you burn this? Basically simple way, you keep the owl totem in the center and you surround it with all the 7 knobs. What are the wishes you could write? As I said, for the green I am going to write how much is the income I am expecting. Okay, that is what I am going to write. Now for if you're a career person, if you are working under someone, you can write what is it that you expect from your job. Like I am getting a good team, or my team in Kerala is working well, my team in Bangalore is working well, or my boss and I have a good understanding. Whatever you want to write career wise is what you will write in the orange 7 qualities. Okay, now when I say 7 qualities, for example, now my boss understands me, my boss helps me in whatever way I want, my boss is supporting to me. Like that, whatever you want to write, you can write. Okay, now if it is a team, you have team members, so my team are supporting me, my team is achieving the monthly target. Okay, like that you will write. So that is your orange 7 knob. Now if you are not in career, you are in business. So you can work with yellow and green, because I've always said for me, yellow is for business. For me, business is what I connect with yellow when it comes to the hoodoo color. Okay. So pink. How should my personal life be? If you are looking for a life partner, I attract a soulmate. You write that 7 times. Now, you have certain characteristics that you want for a soulmate. I attract an understanding partner. I attract a loving partner. I attract a loyal partner, like that you can write. You are already married. So, my partner is loyal towards me. My partner understands me. My partner loves me. My partner reciprocates to my feelings, like that you can write 7 things. So, pink is for love. White, basically, you can write your goals in it. Like, I want to achieve whatever you want to achieve. Like, for example, if you take me for example, I want my book to get published, soon. So I will write, my book is getting published. My book is becoming popular. My book is, getting a lot of appreciation, like that. Whatever I want, right? Goals. Basically, your goals you will write in the white candle. So orange is for career. Now, black. I am protected. My family is protected. My siblings are protected, my pets are protected. Or if you feel, I want to write just one statement, I and my family are protected in all the 7 knobs, and then you write it. Now I will be giving a common oil. Now the common oil which I will be giving here, I might send a road opener oil, I might send a speedy blessing oil. Again, as I said, these are customized kits. So when you get in touch with me for this kit, first thing I will ask you is whether you're working or you're in business. And second thing, I will be asking you a few questions, and then I will take your name and date of birth, and then I will customize the set, and then I will send you with an oil and with a magical powder. Okay, that is what I will be doing. So as of now, as I said, I will just show you how to burn. What we do is we write, after we carve, we just apply the oil which I will be sending, and the powder whichever I will be sending, you will apply that powder also on it. Okay. On the owl totem, you will not apply anything, because owl totems are powerful in their own ways. You don't have to write anything. You don't have to, mention anything there. Okay, so that is how you will work with your owl totem. But before you burn, anyways, I am energizing and sending it to you. You will hold on to the owl totem and you will tell it that, all the gods and goddesses, this is what I am desiring. You know what you have already written. So you will tell them the wishes, and then you will pray to them that your wishes are coming true and your wishes are happening, and you will see that how beautifully your wishes come true and things happen the way you want it to happen. Okay, so now what usually we will do is, I am not burning everything, so you in the center of the plate you will keep this, and you will surround it. Surrounding can be any way. You can keep it like at the back you can keep 2 colors, in the front you can keep 3-4 colors. However you want to surround, you can surround it. If you want to specifically go order wise, like first I want to burn my goals. So first you will keep your goals, and then you will keep it here, and you will burn first the goals candle. Then might be you will feel that I need to burn my career, so you will again burn the career. Okay, then whatever colors you want. But if you ask me what is the right way of burning, because as I said, white, green, pink, okay, and yellow you can also use. Before I forget, if you have children in home and you want your children to study well, you want your children to stay focused, then you can even work on that. Light green also I might send if I feel in your home there is someone who has health issues, or you yourself are having health issues. So technically first the white will burn, and if you are in career then you will go with the orange. If you are in business then you will go with green. Okay, so first the white and then the orange or the green. After that you can burn whatever you want. Usually I have seen people burning black first. Why black? Because I should be protected. But why I burn black at the last is because all these things should be protected for me when I am getting these. For example, now my goals are getting achieved, money is coming to me, so I should be protected. Now in the black candle you can even write all my goals, my ambitions, my desires, everything is protected and nothing is harming me and my goals, my finances in any way. Even that is one point which you can write in the 7 knob and burn the black one, because as I said, black is something which I would definitely want to send you all. With black, white and green will surely come. Now other than white and green, depending on what we are speaking or what I am suggesting with you, I will decide whether it is going to be yellow and pink or orange and pink. So is it clear? And I hope you all are liking these videos which I am bringing, because then only I can bring in more such powerful kits, I can bring in more such powerful rituals for you all, and you all can benefit. So do leave a comment, do like the video, share the video with your friends and your well wishers so that they can also try it. And I hope you all loved watching this video. Do leave me the comments, and I'm sure I will be more than happy to help you all. And this time I have a small giveaway, wherein if you like this video, hear it very carefully, you like this video, you comment on this video, and you tag either 2-3 of your friends who are in YouTube whom you know, or you share this in your groups and you send the screenshot to the team members where you have shared this in 2-3 of your groups or in 2-3 local Facebook social media groups, and the lucky winner will get this one kit as a giveaway and as a gift from me, which again will be customized and sent to you as a blessing from me. So I'm waiting to see who is going to be the lucky one who's going to get this customized kit as a gift from me. God bless you all, and have a beautiful full moon, new moon, and the month blessed with abundance, good health, prosperity, love, and everything that you desire. Thank you.